Hello everyone. In previous video we have studied that what is ratio and proportion. Now here we will discuss how to find fourth proportional, third proportional and mean proportional and some other problems based on ratio and proportion. So first of all we will see how to find fourth proportional. So let us suppose that we have to find fourth proportional for 3, 12 and 4. We will let fourth proportional is equals to x. Since 3, 12, 4 and x are in proportion, therefore 3 ratio 12 is proportional to 4 ratio x. Here 3 and x are extremes. First and fourth term are extremes. 12 and 4 are means. Now, since they are in proportion, therefore product of extremes is equals to product of means. Now product of extremes is 3 multiplied by x and means are 12 and 4. So that is 12 multiplied by 4. Now we have to find x from here. To find x, see here 3 is in multiplication with x. So when we will shift this 3 to right hand side, it will get divide. 12 multiplied by 4 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 fours are 12. Now x is equals to 4 multiplied by 4. X is equals to 4 fours are 16. So therefore fourth proportional is equals to 16. In this way we can find fourth proportional. Now next is third proportional. How to find third proportional? So let us take example. We have to find third proportional for 27 and 9. Let third proportional is equals to x. Since 27, 9 and x are in continued proportion, then 27 ratio x is proportional to 9 ratio x. Here 9 is a mean proportional, means 9s are means. 27 and x are extremes. 9 and 9 are means and 27 and x are extremes. Since they are in continued proportion, therefore product of extremes equals to product of means. Extremes are 27 multiplied by x and means are 9 multiplied by 9. To find x, 27 will get divide 9 ones are 9, 9 threes are 27, 3 ones are 3, 3 threes are 9. So x is equals to 3. Therefore, third proportional is equals to 3. In this way, we can find third proportional. Next is mean proportional. Now, we have to find mean proportional between 16 and 4. Let mean proportional is equals to x. Equals to x. Since 16, 4, 16, x and 4. X is a mean proportional. 16, x and 4 are in continued proportion. (16 ratio x is proportional to x ratio 4. So 16 and 4 are extremes. X and x are means. Since they are in continued proportion, therefore product of extremes is equals to product of means. Or we can write product of means is equals to product of extremes. So here means are x multiplied by x and extremes are 16 multiplied by 4. X into x is x square. 16 multiplied by 4 is 64. So now 64 is a square of 8. So we can write it as 8 square. Now we have to find a value of x. So we will take square root. Taking square root. After taking square root, we will get the value of x. X is equals to 8. Therefore, mean proportional is equals to 8. Now, in next problem, it is given that if A ratio B is equals to 3 ratio 5 and B ratio C is equals to 4 ratio 7, we have to find A ratio B ratio C. Now we can see that in first ratio B is there and in second ratio also B is there. But the values of B in both the ratios are different. Here the value of B is 5 and here it is 4. So first of all, the first step, we have to make the value of B same. We have to make B same. Only then we can proceed further. A ratio B means A upon B. That is 3 ratio 5. We can write it as 3 divided by 5. Another ratio is B ratio C is equals to B upon C is equals to 4 ratio 7. We can write it as 4 divided by 7. Here we will take the LCM of both the values of B. That is LCM of 5 and 4 equals to 20. Now here we have to make B is equals to 20, means we have to make the denominator 20. So we will multiply both numerator as well as denominator by 4 so that we will get denominator 20. And similarly in next, here we have to make a numerator 20. So we have to multiply both numerator as well as denominator by 5. First of all, first A upon B is equals to 3 upon 5 3 multiply by 4 upon 5 multiply by 4. 3 4s are 12 and 5 4s are 20. Now next is B upon C is equals to 4 upon 7. We will multiply 4 by 5 so that we will get 20, and same number will be multiplied in denominator. 5 4s are 20 upon 7 5s are 35. Now we can see that the values of B in both the ratios are same. Therefore we can write A ratio B ratio C is equals to, what is the value of A here? Value of A here it is 12. 12 ratio 20, and the value of C is 35. Therefore by using all this in this way, we got the required ratio. A ratio B ratio C is equals to 12 ratio 20 equals to 12 ratio 20 ratio 35. Now in another problem it is given that M ratio N is equals to 4 ratio 9 and N ratio S is equals to 3 ratio 7. Here we have to find M ratio S. Now we can see that N is missing now. We have to find M ratio S. What we can write for M ratio N? We can write M upon N is equals to 4 upon 9. And N ratio S we can write N upon S is equals to 3 upon 7. To find M ratio S or is equals to M upon S. M upon S is equals to, we will multiply these two, both the ratios. So M upon N multiply by N upon S. So N will get cancelled out. Now we will substitute the value of M upon N. Here M is equals to, M upon N is equals to 4 upon 9. And N upon S is 3 upon 7. So by the table of 3, 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are 9. So we got 4 upon 21. M upon S is equals to 4 upon 21. Therefore M ratio S is equals to 4 ratio 21. M ratio S is equals to 4 ratio 21. So by using all these methods we can find the problems based on ratio and proportion.